Mother Earth, a blue planet, was green just 200 years ago. Massive deforestation and industrial revolution turned the Earth to the red planet by greatly compromising on its biodiversity, ecological balance, rainfall pattern, temperature and pollution levels, which has disturbed the rain cycle. With rise in population, the demands of natural resources like potable water, clean air and comfortable temperature seems to be massively increasing, and above said resources are getting depleted fast. Global warming is alarmingly increasing, which has led to scarcity of potable water by changed rain pattern. The Earth's surface consists of 70% water and 30% land. Out of total water, only 2% water is available for living beings, and only that much water is to be exploited. So as to cater this population, the load on usable water is pushed up. Pollution level is at its crest due to increase in demand of essential commodities, thereby forcing industrialization. Rise in temperature, changed pattern of season, especially summer, is leading to increase in demand of air conditioning for industrial, commercial and domestic purposes. As the heat is increasing, which is noted to be constantly above 40 degrees Celsius in summer season, the need for air conditioning is also increasing in all above mentioned fields. It is no more a luxury but has become an essential in day-to-day life. But fact is, because of global warming, we are using air conditioners more and more. But air conditioning itself is adding oil to the fire by releasing more and more heat into the atmosphere. It is stated that AC cools inside but releases 3 times more heat into the atmosphere. It is the major cause for global warming. Introducing a unique technique, Saurya Vatanukulan. What is it? It is the incorporation of a technique in a new or existing ACs, whether they are window, split, central and running on any gas at a reasonable price, which will not affect its functioning, will not consume any energy in additional, but in fact utilizes the wasted energy. In this technique, we incorporate device which will save electricity, reduce the heat dissipation outside, which in turn helps reducing global warming, generate more usable water. And these 3 features are real need of the hour. This device is easy to fix, easy to operate, needs no extra energy, needs no maintenance, produces no noise pollution, produces no hazardous environmental pollution, easy to recycle at the end, saves environment in 2 ways, by decreasing heat outside, by decreasing electrical consumption. The said technique can be incorporated in refrigerators or freezers, and the refrigerators are essential almost in all houses, opening major window for us. In the exploitation of this technique in automobiles will save huge on fuel, which is the need of the hour.